So my career journey before coming to Luxinar was mainly the automotive industry. I was working in the field of powder metal, where I was having operational and sales tasks on a plant level, but also on a divisional level. And then the past 3 years I spent in Germany for an automotive interior assembly company, being in charge of the plant in Berlin and Leipzig, and basically building up greenfields there together with a team in the automotive world. First one in the powder metal area was MIBA, and the one in Germany is called SAS Interior Models. When I think back about my achievements, I definitely have on the top of my mind a big restructuring project on the operations side. It was a turnaround project in the US where we did an organizational and financial turnaround. But also more in the greenfield area is scaling up facilities, ensuring that we have on-time start of production, especially under the high pressure of the automotive industry. So those were two big parts on the operational side. But overall, I think it was finding the right balance between the strategic aspects of the business and the daily operational needs, no matter if it was in operations, in sales, in the area of development. And by doing this, trying to put the people in the center and finding a way of having experts and people leaders on an eye-to-eye level, as both of them are critical to be successful in the business. So when I arrived at Luxinar, my first impression was that it's an extremely well-established business where we have great individuals but coming together as a strong team. I remember the first day we came on site and we got the chance to really see the whole company, get introduced to every department, touring the shop floor, and also one of the first things I participated was a global sales meeting with all our sales colleagues from all over the world. And I think what we achieved here is by having the right people on board and focusing on the innovation spirit and really bringing products on the market where we can find solutions for our customers. Luxinar was able to create, by doing all of this, a package that made them successful, that sets them up for a strong market position. And I think that's also the groundwork for the global presence that was achieved over the past years. My top priorities in the first 100 days is getting to know the teams. I try to spend time here in the Hackl facility, but also spending time and traveling to the sales offices across the world. I strongly believe that in the Gemba philosophy, that means you learn the process best if you're in the process together with the people that do the actual work. And that's the basis, I think, for making the right decisions going forward. And this paired, of course, with a strong focus on the market. So I had the chance already to visit some of our customers in China and in Europe, and we'll definitely follow up with some more customer visits, as well as being present at our global exhibitions, as at the end of the day, understanding the problems of our customers and how our products can help them become more efficient and have a better value add for their end customer. That's what we have to achieve, and this is why I would see this as my biggest priority to start with. Definitely the seeing people flourish, so development of others, seeing individuals step into new roles and supporting them on the way there. I think that's at the end the biggest reward if you're in a leadership role. So pairing this up with our technological developments and finding the right products with the right USPs, meaning the right attributes and unique selling points that really can solve our customers' problems, this I would see as the most rewarding part. So the biggest challenges that I expect are, on the one hand, balancing the daily operative aspects of the job with the long-term strategic aspects, and trying to find the right balance without neglecting either of the two. I think that's probably the biggest. In addition to that, I see a challenge in getting to understand the industry. As I mentioned earlier, my background is coming from automotive, and stepping now into the world of lasers, I can see that it's different market dynamics. It's a different way of building relationships. And I think next to doing the job to really step into this and build a strong network, this is the two biggest challenges. So outside of my daily work life, I really enjoy actually cooking. For me, this is a huge stress reliever. After a tough day in the office, it's nice to come home, cook a good dinner, and probably open a good bottle of wine together with my family. Other than that, for me, it's sports in order to get some distance and get a chance to reflect. Being from Austria, I enjoy being in the mountains. Is it skiing? Is it hiking? But also volleyball is something I like to be more in a team sports environment. For me, sports is really the moment to reflect and clear your mind. So the best advice I've ever received from one of my previous managers is that we shouldn't forget that every business is a people business. It's run by people. People are our customers, our suppliers, our stakeholders. And whenever you get to a point where you have a decision in front of you and you're not sure where to go, put the people in the center, and it should guide you in the right direction.